Well, hi guys, I'm WaterC2 from uklocksport.co.uk. I did a video a while ago regarding old locks that I've actually started to collect, and great picker out there, good friend MsJames, left a comment and asked if I'd actually do a video of the cylinder locks and rim cylinders etc. that I actually have. So here it is, James, my friend, hope you're well. I've got quite a few, so I've got a couple of little boxes there. This is just a normal Yale 5-pin rim cylinder. I've got a few Yales. A lot of these locks do actually have keys, but don't actually keep them sort of in all the time. I would have dug them out, but they're scattered all over the kitchen. That's a 6-pin era rim cylinder. This one is a E-Star MP5 Euro cylinder. See, my autofocus is not that brilliant on the camera, so I hope you can see this, my friend. This one is a Zone 6-pin. Like I say, a lot of these do actually have keys. Another Yale 5-pin rim cylinder. ICO or ICO, don't know how you pronounce it. And another Yale. Like I said, I've got quite a few Yales. I do have a lot of padlocks also. Right, so this is another box now. Might be easier to do it this way. Some are unbranded. That's a 6-pin unbranded lock. And some of those are actually quite hard to pick, to be honest. The Layard lock, or Laird, again, don't know how you pronounce it, 6-pin Euro cylinder. Another ICO or ICO. Union. You can see that. Vita or Vita Euro cylinder. I've got a couple of these in there. Another Zone. What else we got? Ruco thumb turn. Yale 6-pin Euro cylinder. I don't know what this one is, to be honest, and I think we've had issues on our forum with it. It's a 5-pin, but on there I've done a video of this. Inside a circle it says C, it's got like a mortise key, then another C. So baffled as to make of that. Union thumb turn. Another Union sent to me by kind JD Jajoda with a couple of other bits and pieces, and 2 of these. Viro. That's a dimple lock, and short of the name, it's a 7-pin, nothing stamped on the front. Another unbranded lock, 5-pin. A Securit 5-pin. The other Vita or Vita another E-Star SMP5, again, don't know how you pronounce it, it's a thumb turn. This is the first ever 6-pin Euro lock-eye single pin picks, and had a bump key snapped in it for a very long time, and recently managed to get it back out, so that's quite a bit of a keepsake. It's a lovely lock, the first one, our first Euro 6-pin that I single pin picked, and I'm absolutely over the moon I managed to get the snapped bump key out of it. Another ICO or ICO. This is a Miller. You can see that. Another unbranded lock. This is the other Union from kind JD Jajoda. Nice oval lock. Another unbranded. A few of these were actually really old rusted up locks that I managed to salvage, clean up and pick. More rim cylinders. Keepsake. Another zone. Specialist. That's that one. The other layered or layered lock, sent to me by kind Jinx on our UK Lock Sport forum. This is the British Standard Yale anti-pick and anti-bump. I've actually done a video of single pin picking and bumping the lock. I enjoyed actually picking that one. Another ICO or ICO, made in Italy. Just reading the stamp on the side of there. Another unbranded lock, 5-pin. A PK. Not sure what that means. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pin. Yep. Another layered. Got a few of these. Very easy to pick. UAP. And a silver Yale. Again 6-pin. Nice lock. Let's put all these back in there because I've got another box with a few locks in. Here's me making a racket downstairs and my little boy's upstairs in bed. So I do actually tend to keep them in separate boxes. And this is what I call the naughty box, because everything in here I've not actually managed to pick, or a couple of them I have picked but they do not pick open brilliantly. This is like a multi-lock. See from that. I think this one I did a trade with a great guy in, I think, Israel, is it? A couple of locks were exchanged, so I got this one. Dimple lock. I've not sort of got into dimple picking. I've done a couple of videos on basic dimple locks, like the padlock you saw, James, the master padlock that you obviously liked, and I think your friend liked it. This is another one, dimple lock. It's got like a horseshoe that runs round there and like a bit of rope just there. Could be an Israeli lock, I'm not sure. Another unbranded in there, 6-pin. Issues with single pin picking these could be obviously bits of debris or whatever inside the pins. I've never actually tried squirting any sort of lubricant or anything in there to try and pick them. A Miller. Multi-lock. Got a few of these from work. We have these on the majority of our doors. Again, not picked that. This is the Medico or Medico, don't know how you pronounce it. I've talked to you about before. That's the key with it. Again, don't know if you can see this clearly, my friend, but my camera's a bit dodgy when it comes to autofocus. That's that one. GG lock, sent by a great friend on our UK Lock Sport forum. Access 24/7. I did get a bump key for this, but it does not fit the keyway, hence the reason Access 24/7 sent me it, but it doesn't fit, so I'm going to have a bash at single pin picking that. Another unbranded 6-pin, and another unbranded 6-pin also. So that's all my cylinders and rim cylinders, James, my friend. I do have a lot of padlocks as well. If you want me to show you those also, just let me know. So hope you like that, James. Thank you, my friend, and hope you're well. And guys, if you are new to Lock Sport, please come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Even though that was not a lock picking video, come and join us. Thanks for watching, and when you are picking, please keep it legal.